In the previous video, we defined a model for a blog post, and then following that, we ran the make migrations command in order to generate this migration script. And if we were to apply this migration, our new model definition will be propagated to the Django project's database. So let us do exactly that, for which we head over to the shell. And if you would like to view exactly what SQL statements will be executed in order to create this model in the database, there is a specific command we can execute, which is python manage.py SQL migrate, followed by the name of the app which contains the migration script, which in turn is followed by the number of the migration script. In our case, the name of the app is blog, and the number of the migration script is 0001. Upon running this, we should be able to view in the console all of the SQL statements which will be executed when we perform the migration. So to create this new model, we should see the SQL statement corresponding to the creation of a new table. So we go ahead and run this, and that is precisely what we see. For those of you who have prior experience with SQL, will find this create table statement quite familiar. You'll notice that a new table will be created called blog_post, which follows the pattern of app name underscore model name. And then the various fields for our model become the columns for this table. So you see that the ID field is the primary key. The title field becomes a varchar of 100 characters. And importantly, our author field is represented as author_ID, which references the auth user table, specifically the ID field in that table. You'll also see that there is a create index statement, and that the author ID field has been indexed. And it is common practice in many databases to automatically index foreign keys, because a number of join operations will make use of those foreign keys. Alright, so we can now clearly see the link between a model definition and our database. Now this model migration has not yet actually taken place. So to do that, we will need to run one more command, which is python manage.py migrate. And from the output, we can see that this migrate command will look into all of the different applications which are defined within our Django project. These include admin, auth, blog, content types, and sessions. Out of all of these apps though, only one of them contained a migration script which has not yet been applied. Specifically, the